What's up, digital entrepreneurs? Aaron here from Digital Boss Makers, and today I'm about to transform your financial future with 7 incredible side hustles that you can start right now, even as a complete beginner. These aren't just random ideas. These are proven moneymakers that I've personally vetted and seen succeed time and time again. Before we dive in, quick reality check. The average person is leaving thousands of dollars on the table every month by not taking advantage of these opportunities. But by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start earning that extra cash. Let's get into it. First up, we've got virtual assistant work. And let me tell you, this market is absolutely booming right now. Companies are desperately searching for reliable VAs, and you can easily earn $15, $30 per hour working from home. Here's the best part. You probably already have most of the skills needed. If you can manage emails, schedule appointments, or handle basic social media tasks, you're already qualified. Pro tip: start by specializing in one specific area. Maybe you're great with Instagram management or Excel spreadsheets. That specialization can instantly boost your hourly rate by 20 to 30%. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are gold mines for VA work. But here's a secret most people don't know. Join Facebook groups for entrepreneurs and small business owners. They're always looking for reliable VAs, and there's way less competition than on the major platforms. Moving on to our second side hustle, print on demand. This is literally passive income at its finest. You design once and the products sell while you sleep. The best part? Zero inventory, zero shipping headaches. Everything is handled by platforms like Printful and Redbubble. Start with t-shirts and mugs. They're the easiest to design and have the highest profit margins. Here's a strategy that's working incredibly well right now. Focus on niche markets. Instead of making generic motivational quotes, create designs for specific professions or hobbies. Think nurses, dog moms, or mountain bikers. The more specific, the better your conversion rate will be. Number 3, pet services. Listen up, because this one's a goldmine, as people are going back to the office, but their pets still need care. Through Rover, you can easily make $20, $30 per walk, or $50 per day for pet sitting. The startup costs? Maybe $50 for some basic supplies. Quick tip that's working great for my students: offer a first walk free promotion to build trust. Once clients see how great you are with their pets, they'll become regulars. And in this business, regulars mean consistent, predictable income. Fourth on our list, reselling. This isn't your grandmother's yard sale game. I'm talking about strategic flipping for serious profit. Focus on furniture and home decor. These items consistently bring in $150, $250 profit per flip. The key is knowing where to look. Facebook Marketplace, estate sales, and thrift stores are your hunting grounds. Here's my personal flipping formula. Look for solid wood furniture that's underpriced because it needs a fresh coat of paint. A $50 piece can easily sell for $300 plus after a $20 makeover. That's real profit margins, people. Number 5, home baking. The homemade food market is exploding right now. If you've got some killer recipes, you can turn your kitchen into a cash machine. Start with one signature item. Maybe it's cookies, custom cakes, or artisan bread. Build your reputation with that one thing before expanding. Marketing hack: partner with local coffee shops to supply their baked goods. It's steady income and great exposure. Use Instagram to showcase your creations, and always ask satisfied customers for referrals. Sixth on our list, freelance writing. Content is king, and businesses are paying premium rates for quality writers. We're talking $100, $500 per article. The secret? Specialize in a specific niche. Whether it's tech, health, or finance, becoming the go-to writer in your field can double or triple your rates. Pro strategy: start by writing 3 stellar sample articles in your chosen niche. Publish them on Medium or LinkedIn. These become your portfolio and instantly set you apart from generic writers. Last but definitely not least, online tutoring. This is perfect if you're knowledgeable in any subject, from math to music. The best part? You can do it entirely online, set your own hours, and rates typically start at $25, $40 per hour. Game-changing tip. Record your most requested lessons once, then sell them as pre-recorded sessions. This turns your time from linear to exponential income. Now, let me drop some real talk. These side hustles work, but only if you take action. The biggest mistake I see people make is waiting for the perfect time to start. Here's the truth. There's never a perfect time. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. I've put together a complete step-by-step guide for the side hustle that's generating the most consistent results for my students right now. It's the exact blueprint we use to go from zero to first dollar earned in under 48 hours. Click the link in the description below to get instant access. Remember, success leaves clues. Every person you see crushing it with these side hustles started exactly where you are right now, at the beginning. The only difference is they took action. Before you go, here's your action plan. Pick one of these side hustles. Just one. Commit to giving it 30 days of consistent effort. That's all it takes to start seeing real results. If this video helped you see the potential in these side hustles, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring that notification bell to join the Digital Bossmakers family. Drop a comment below with which side hustle you're starting with. I read and respond to every comment. This is Aaron from Digital Bossmakers, signing off. Peace. Remember to check the link in the description for your fast-track guide to success. See you in the next video.